This is the Garagistic YouTube channel. My name is Matthew. Today we're going to talk about E36 and E46 poly motor mounts. This is currently a new product that we make. Now we make our E36 bushings in 3 different flavors: 80, 95, and aluminum. Aluminum is mostly meant for full race application where noise is not a concern and performance is the only concern. 95 is a good trade-off for dual-purpose cars, but cars that are more performance-oriented, again, still okay with noise, but not as bad as aluminum. And 80 is basically your dual-purpose street autocross car. It will offer the most noise insulation while still offering a good amount of performance. These are direct replacements for your factory motor mounts. Even have the dowels in the factory position, so that helps a lot with installation, fit, and finish. The isolated ends on both ends make sure that noise doesn't transmit because you have poly in between them, interlocking the system, so there's never a chance of these coming apart. And as with all of our Garagistic products, you come with a lifetime warranty.